Still mourning the loss of a loved one from 9/11 is upset with a potential deal that could spare the lives of the men charged with orchestrating the worst terror attack ever on U.S. soil.
Channel 2's Claudine Ewing spoke with the family of the late Margaret Wallier-Seeliger. Claudine?
Mary Alice, a letter dated August 1st was sent to 9/11 families. It indicates that if the men accused of putting together the plan for the September 11th attack, if they accept a plea offer, then the death penalty would be off the table. Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and 4 other men are being held at the U.S. Detention Center in Guantanamo Bay. There have been many delays in this case. Now, in a letter to the families, the Department of Defense indicates that if there is a pretrial agreement, removing the possibility of the death penalty at sentencing is an option. Attorney Paul Wallier's sister Margaret was killed on 9/11. He tells me his entire family disagrees. He calls it a disgrace. Here's what he wants to see happen.
We would just hope that they have their, under our Constitution, they get their day in court. And whether it's a military tribunal or basically a civil jury, have their day in court, present your evidence, and then if they're found guilty, then at the sentencing phase, they either vote on death or life.
Wallier says this is about 3,000 murders, and taking the death penalty off the table is not what they want to see. The 9/11 hearings have been on hold as the military determines whether one of the defendants is competent to stand trial. Hearings are set to resume September 18th. On your side in the newsroom, Claudine Ewing, Channel 2 News.